So just wanted to give another quick update video on Robinhood. It was actually a pretty good week overall. Um, Started down and then kind of worked its way up with the news of the bill being passed and all that. I think investors are starting to feel a little more confident about things getting fixed and whatnot. So this week, we bought a couple of shares of Realty Income. Like I said, this is kind of a buy and hold company, so it's really nice to be getting it at this price. I think before the market trended down, it was $70-$80 a share, so it's really nice to be able to scoop this up at this price point. I also scooped up one share of SPHD just to kind of get that spread on the S&P 500. And then I picked up one share of AGNC just to round out the rest of my $100 for the week. So not a lot of purchases, but we're getting in at good pricing. And yeah, I mean, I'm not feeling as worried now. A lot of prices have gone up, and I'm feeling more confident, I guess, into my strategy here. So I'm really excited for next month. We should be getting some dividends from quite a few companies and whatnot. So yeah, I think we'll just leave it at that. I don't have any dividends this week, so there's not really a whole lot to report on. I'm just glad that we're starting to head up again. It'll be nice when we get up on the all-time here, but we're quite a ways away from that, which is okay. Long-term game. So see you in the next one.